Hello, 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 hello. It's Garden Talk Jamaican here again. I'm going to reap some Kennebec. I've got one red bucket here, right? 5 gallon bucket and a big pan, whatever kind of pan. I don't know what size that is. Maybe about 10 gallon, maybe 20 gallons. I'm not sure. In this one, I've got 3 Kennebec seeds. This one I did 3 too, right? And because it's Kennebec today and not Yukon Gold, I'm wearing my Christiana hat. This is Christiana Manchester in Jamaica. And it has a rosette in honor of Kennebec, in honor of a good harvest. So let's get it going. Hold on a minute. So, putting on my trusty gloves from you know where. Look at the color. When you see the color, you know where it comes from, especially if you live in this neck of the woods of Georgia, where many of these stores are. No longer dollar. It's $1.25 now. You better believe it. I should have bought more. For example, my garden socks. I bought only one, and now they're gone to $1.25. I don't even see them again. But that's okay. I'm going to wear this one until it's worn out. It needs washing too, but that's okay. It's a garden socks. So here we go. Now, let's see. I had to take out some of the soil. This thing was heavy. So I think I'm going to do the red bucket first. Red in honor of red. All right? So, I'm cutting off all of this growth. They're kind of overdue, and it's going to rain tomorrow. So, got to get it done today. I'm going to empty the soil in here. Let's see if I got anything. All right, now. I put rocks in the bucket because I didn't want the soil, the holes clogging up. So here we go. All right, now. Oh, it's dry in the bottom here. Let's see if we have anything in this one. Okay. Start to see some stuff here. Not bad. This is a good one for roasting. Let's put them in the bucket. Tiny. Not bad. Tiny. Not bad. Good roasting potatoes. Uh-huh. A little bigger one. It's good. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see what we got. Little bigger one. Kennebec. Yep. Let's see. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Oh, we got some more. We got some more. Small, but good. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Some little ones. Yeah. All right, you know. Okay. Okay. All right. Not bad. Man, it's hot. I'm cooking. Oh, it's hot down here in Georgia. You thought Jamaica was hot? Georgia is hot. Well, this is the seed that I planted. A little bit down. Yep. So, looks like this is it, people. Folks, it looks like this is it. Yep. 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 So, this is what we got from 3. Not bad. Next year, I'm making a raised bed to plant them, and I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna try the straw. I'm not gonna try the bale. I'm gonna try the straw because I I don't want to introduce all kind of weeds in my yard. So here we are. Here we go. All right. Let's go to this pan and see what we got. Put off these things. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now this thing is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Ooh, I think we got some big ones. Look at this. Oh my God. Look here. Yeah, this is jumbo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not bad either. This Kennebec is kind of showing out, isn't it? It is. It is. Yeah. Here we go. Not bad. Here we go. All right now. All right now. Oh, I think I bruised this one. But that's all right. We'll eat this one. Here we go. Not bad. Some little ones too. That's good. Here we go. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, little one. All right, now let's see what we got here. Not too bad. Yep. Some little ones, great for roasting. Love them. Oh yeah, we got some more here. Here we go. Yeah, we got more. Little one. Yep. 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 Let's see what else we got. I think I will take out some of the soil from here and see what else we have in this bucket. If there's anything else going on in this tank. Let's see if there's anything else going on. Good soil. The soil is still good. Don't know what I'm going to use it for next year, but I'm going to use it for something. Oh, it's hot. Hold on, people. Got to walk out face. Oh my God, it's hot. Whew. But it's all good. I love reaping potatoes. Let's see. It seems that this is it, folks. Yep. It seems we're at the end of this year's harvest of Kennebec. I had already reaped one container like this with 3. And it wasn't bad. We're pretty decent size. Not bad. So, I think that this is it. You know what? I'm going to see if I can empty it in this thing. This thing is heavy, man. So let's see. Oh, all right, here comes the Iron Woman. Rocks. Rocks in the bottom. Keep the soil from falling out. Wow. I don't think we have anything else here. I think that's it. Yep. But it was not bad haul at all. And man, all the seed potatoes, they have rotted, which is good. The other day I reaped a pan and one of the potato was like fresh, like it did nothing. So here we are. Kennebec. My first harvest of Kennebec. But I got to show you this big one. It is so big and luscious. Ooh, where is it? Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh man, I'm scratching these things. I've got to do better than that. Yeah, I'm scratching them with my nails. So here we go. 6 plants. It's not bad. It is a blessing. And I love it. So I thank you for watching. Give me a like. And next time, I'll be reaping the last bag. No, not really. I'll be reaping a bag of Yukon Gold, going back to Yukon Gold. Then after that, it's Pontiac Red. And guess what? Gotta wait months for the sweet potatoes. But we're gonna enjoy watching what we have produced. Okay? Have a great day. Stay well. Remember that. In these days, you gotta stay well. You gotta take care of yourself. Okay? Bye now.